Want to make a healthy sweet treat? Let's do chocolate mousse with a strawberry parfait. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's go. Hi there, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help, and we are approaching Valentine's Day, and I know that everybody loves to eat sweets, so I want to show you something healthy and delicious that you can enjoy and indulge in around the Valentine's Day. So what we're going to do is make a beautiful chocolate mousse, dairy-free, and we are going to do these beautiful layers of some strawberry parfait in the middle. Let's get started with the strawberry parfait because it needs to sit in the freezer for a little bit while we make the mousse. So I'm just going to cut up some strawberries. These are washed, and we are going to put them in a blender. Okay, to the blender, we are going to add the strawberries. We are going to add lemon juice. And we are going to add coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is a lower glycemic sweetener. I try to avoid all white sugar. It really spikes the blood sugar. Leading cause of diabetes, causes inflammation, but anything from the coconut is so good for us, and that does not exclude coconut sugar. I substitute it 1 for 1 in all of my recipes. If you have a recipe where it needs to be a white color, like if you aesthetically want your recipe to not be a darker color, you can absolutely also use monk fruit. Okay, we have blended it in the blender, and now we are just going to pour it into a bowl so that we can put it in the freezer for a little bit while we make the dairy-free chocolate mousse. Now, I like to put it in something that has a spout so we can easily pour it into our serving dishes. So I'm using one of my measuring cups. Okay, let's put this in the freezer and get going on that chocolate mousse. Okay, my dairy-free chocolate mousse I have made before, but I'm going to show you a way that you can use it in multiple recipes. So we're going to do a beautiful layered parfait today. It does not have dairy, and it only has 3 ingredients, and I promise you it is finger-licking good. So we're going to start off with a bowl that I had put in the freezer. We want it really, really cold. And then next up, we are going to add in the cream of, so this is 1 can of coconut cream. And what we're doing is we're just gently taking the cream off the top of the can. If you notice, there is water in the bottom of this can, so you don't want to use that. That's coconut water. We want to just stick with the cream. The trick to this, whenever you are making something like this and you're trying to get things fluffy or creamy, do not shake your can. Put it on the shelf and just let it sit until you're ready to use it. And then before your recipe, don't shake it because you really want to keep that cream and that water from that can separated. All right, next up, we are going to add in some maple syrup. Maple syrup is absolutely my top 2 favorite sweeteners. You don't have to just deprive yourself of sweet foods. Just need to get better at choosing which sweet foods you cook with and eat, because you know this is so much healthier than eating a Chips Ahoy cookie. You know, you can make healthy sweet treats and enjoy them. It's okay, we have cravings and all of that, no worries. You just need to pick good ingredients. Now the last thing we're going to add, and I'm going to add it in slowly, is the cacao powder. Cacao powder is just like cocoa powder, but it's in its raw form. Cocoa powder means the beans have been roasted. Cacao means raw. So I'm just going to give this a blend and slowly add in my cacao powder. Okay, I let the strawberry parfait chill in the freezer for about an hour. I really wanted it to be like a slushy consistency. And then I put the chocolate mousse in the fridge. And so now we're just gonna assemble our beautiful little glasses. Of course, you can put it in any container that you wish. Don't forget, this chocolate mousse is just 3 ingredients: cacao powder, coconut cream, and maple syrup. And for the strawberry parfait, for the strawberry filling, we have strawberries, lemon juice, and coconut sugar. That's it. So we're just gonna layer it. I put the chocolate mousse in a Ziploc bag and cut the corner off just so I can get a little more control and a little more evenness in the bowl. Actually, this is a glass, isn't it? A little bit more strawberry. So pretty. Healthy eating does not have to be boring, bland. It can be delicious. It can be sweet. All right, we're going to add one more layer of chocolate if we have enough, which I think we do. I got it on my hand. We can at least get a top layer. Not quite sure if I have enough, but it's close. Right? My recipes are not supposed to be perfect. They're supposed to be healthy and delicious. And that means sometimes getting it on your hands. And we're just gonna put a pretty little strawberry right there. And there you have it. A beautiful chocolate mousse and strawberry parfait, perfect for Valentine's Day. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. And if you would like to learn more about me, or get more inspiration from me, follow me on social media at Shelly Can Help on all platforms. I want to see you in your kitchen cooking healthy recipes. That's what lights me up. I have to go for now, but before I do, I have one question before I go. What is on your fork? Cheers.